Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, it's almost impossible not to yawn yourself? This strange phenomenon isn't limited to humans. Dogs, chimpanzees, and even some birds can catch yawns too. Scientists believe contagious yawning is deeply connected to empathy and social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brain's mirror neurons fire, making us mimic the action. This unconscious response may have evolved to synchronize group behavior, keeping communities alert and in tune. Next time you yawn after someone else, remember, it's your brain's way of connecting.